Hello students, let us continue the chapter 5 minerals, and this is second part of the video, and today I am going to start explaining from distribution of iron ore in India. India is exceptionally rich in iron ore deposits both in quantity and quality. India is bestowed with large resource of iron ore, which is approximately 6.6% of the world's known reserves. Now let us see some of the important places that are the producers of iron ore in India. The places are Odisha, Jharkhand, Goa, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Karnataka, it has large reserves of magnetite and hematite. Magnetite, it contains 72% of pure iron, and hematite, it contains 60 to 70% of pure iron. The important deposits of iron ore are found in Ballari, Hospet and Sundar in Bellary district. Then in Chhattisgarh is also a major producer of iron ore in India, and the major deposits are found in Durg, Bastar districts. Then in Odisha is the large producer of iron ore. Here, good quantity of hematite is mined. Hematite, which is 60 to 70% of pure iron. And hematite is found in Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Cuttack and Koraput districts. Jharkhand is also an important producer of iron ore, and it has large reserves of hematite. Singhbhum district is the major producer of iron ore, where Noamundi and Goa are the main mining areas. So in Singhbhum, Noamundi and Goa, these two places are the main mining areas of iron ore. Same in Goa. In Goa, we will find iron ore in Bicholim, Sakwilim, Netherlim and Borga Dungar. Andhra Pradesh, Anandpur, Nellore, YSR, Kadapa and Kurnool districts. Then in Tamil Nadu, Salem, Coimbatore, Madurai, Tirunelveli, then Ramanathapuram, Tiruchirappalli. Then in Kerala, Kozhikode, then in Maharashtra, Lohara, Bandara, Satara. So these are the places where iron ore is found. Then distribution of iron ore in the world. Iron ore is widely used all over the world for making machinery for industries. Iron ore has some unique properties. What are they? Iron ore has strength, hardness, ductility. Ductility means the ability of a material to have its shape changed. And also iron ore has got magnetic properties. Iron ore deposits are widely found in almost all over the continents. Russia is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Then in Russia, the iron ore fields are in Moscow, Ukraine. These are the regions of iron ore mining. Then in USA, iron ore mines are concentrated in the region where the Mesabi range is an important area. Other mining areas are in states of Alabama, Utah, Wyoming and California. Lake Superior region, Labrador and Eastern Quebec are iron ore mining areas in Canada. In France, the main iron ore mines are located in Lorraine. Sweden is an important producer of iron ore with iron deposits at Kiruna and Gällivare. Then in China, the large deposits of iron ore is located in Anshan, Manshan, Chengqian and Hainan. In Australia, iron ore reserves are in Mount Goldsworthy, Mount Bruce, Mount Tamprais and Yampi. Now let us study about manganese. India ranks third in the world in manganese production. Now let us see some of the uses of manganese. It is the most important mineral for making iron and steel. And to manufacture 1 ton of steel, nearly 9 kg of manganese is required. Manganese is also used for manufacturing bleaching powder, insecticides, dry batteries and china clay. Dry battery means an electric battery consisting of one or more dry cells, and a dry battery does not contain any liquid. China clay, another term is kaolin. It is a soft white clay that is widely used for making paper, rubber, paint, etc. As an alloy, manganese, it decreases the brittleness of steel and it gives strength to steel. The amount of manganese used per ton steel is about 6 to 9 kilograms. Means in steel, 6 to 9 kilograms of manganese is required. About 30% of that is used during refinement of iron ore, and 30% of manganese is used during the refinement of iron ore. What is refinement? Refinement is the process of removing impurities or unwanted elements from a substance. And the remaining 70% is used as an alloy in the final steel product. Now, manganese, it makes steel strong, it removes impurities and it makes it immune to rusting. Immune means protected. It protects from rusting. Then, another important use of manganese is creating an alloy with aluminium to produce a metal that is resistant to corrosion. Corrosion means it is a natural process that converts a refined metal into a more chemical stable form, such as oxides. Then, manganese is also used in the manufacture of ferromanganese, silicomanganese, chrome manganese. What is ferromanganese? Ferromanganese is made by heating a mixture of oxides with carbon, and silicomanganese is an alloy with 60% to 68% of manganese. Then manganese is also used for preparation of organic and inorganic chemicals. What is organic chemicals? Organic chemicals means substances containing carbon and its derivatives. Many of these chemicals will frequently contain hydrogen with or without oxygen. And inorganic chemical means substances encompassing all those that do not include carbon and its derivatives. Then manganese is also used in paints, pigments and ceramics. Ceramic is any of the various hard, brittle, heat resistant and corrosion resistant materials which is made by shaping and then firing a non-metallic mineral such as clay at room temperature. Now let us see distribution of manganese in India. Orissa is the leading producer and it is mined in Sundargarh, Koraput and Bolangir and Sambalpur, Kalahandi, Keonjhar and Mayurbhanj district. Then in Karnataka is the second largest producer of manganese and the deposits of manganese are found in Tumkur, Ballari, Shivamoga and Chitradurg. Then in Maharashtra, the main belt is in Nagpur, Bandhara, Ratnagiri district. And the high quality of manganese is in great demand in Maharashtra. Then in Madhya Pradesh, manganese main belt is found in Chhindwara and Balaghat district. Other states where manganese are found are Andhra Pradesh and Jharkhand. Distribution of manganese in the world. The largest producer of manganese in the world is South Africa. Then the other countries that are the leading producers of manganese are China, Australia, Brazil and Malaysia. Thank you.